Hey, what's up guys? John from SNS Cycle here. In today's video, we're going to be talking to you about the newly redesigned Tune Induction Air Cleaner Kit. Some great benefits, some great features. First off, the redesign. Two tubes that are designed to go into one collector right here that will mount on to your throttle body. In the front of the tubes, you're going to have a washable air filter that provides direct air, and it's going to give you 44% more airflow over the stock air box. Some other features that we're offering: you can now get it in chrome, stainless, and black. In the kit, you're going to receive a backing plate, a couple gaskets, a breather tube, breather hose, and all the hardware you need, including your breather bolts. This product is available for your early twin cam, your late twin cam, and your Milwaukee-eight models. It's an easy to install kit that'll give you the performance and the styling that you're looking for. Currently, right now on the rack, we have our Milwaukee-eight. We're going to go ahead and show you how to install one of these on this bike. First thing we're going to do is remove the stock air box per the factory manual. Let's get started. Now that we've removed the stock air box, we have exposed the throttle body to where we can install the SNS Tune Induction system. The first thing to note is the throttle body bracket right here. On the stock M8 model and twin cam models will be slightly different. There will be a throttle body bracket. If you're currently running the SNS Stealth Air Cleaner Kit, you will need to have the throttle body bracket to move forward with this install. But all stock air boxes will already have this mounted. Now that we've confirmed that we have our throttle body bracket, we're going to go ahead and take our throttle body cover and our two gaskets, one in the front and one in the rear, like so, and then take our two hex heads that are supplied in the kit, add a little bit of blue Loctite to them, and put them in the top right and the lower throttle body holes. Now we're just going to loosely mount this, and we're going to tighten it up by hand, making sure the gasket holes in the front and rear of the throttle body cover is lined up, just like so. For our next step, we're going to go ahead and mount our Tune Induction. You'll notice on the flange on the back side, there's two slots right here. These two slots will line up with these two hex heads. That's why we let them loose. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slide it in, just like so. And for the third hole, there's an Allen bolt supplied in the kit, and we're going to go ahead and put that into the third hole in the top left of the throttle body. Now that we've gotten all three bolts into the throttle body and loosely tightened by hand, we're going to go ahead and start tightening them down, starting with the bottom one using a 7/16 wrench. Now we're going to go ahead and move up to the Allen and tighten that one down, and then finish it off on the top right hand side of the throttle body with the 7/16 again. Now that we have the Tune Induction installed, we're going to go ahead and mount our breather tube from head to head using the supplied breather bolts within the kit. For the front, we're going to use the breather bolt that has a nipple on it, adding a washer to the front and rear of the breather tube. And these are the rubber coated washers that come within the kit. After you do that, we're going to go ahead and hand tighten it. And we'll repeat the process for the rear using the Allen breather bolt. And we're going to go ahead and tighten up the front breather bolt with a 7/16 wrench. Now we're ready to attach our breather tube from breather port to breather port. Doing that with the supplied hose that comes in the kit, we slid the bracket up from the bottom on the tube to the top, the bigger half, and using a pair of pliers, we're pinching down the bracket and sliding it on to the tune induction, just like so. Now we're ready to install our air filters. We're going to start off with the bottom one and work to the top one. To do this, you slide the air filters back on the tune induction about 1 inch in, right there. If you do that to the top and bottom one, you will get a staggered look, like so. If you don't like the staggered look, you can take the top one and slide it back to match up with the bottom one, just like so. We're going to go with the flush look and match them up together. And we're going to start off with the bottom one and tighten it up using a Phillips screwdriver. And there you have it. That's the Tune Induction Air Cleaner Kit. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Always follow us on our social media channels. And for more information about this product and any S&S product, check sscycle.com.